Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Class F3 Night Group 1, and today we will be presenting our project titled FastIF Administrative Application for Letter Submission Management in the Informatics Department. Let me introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Faiz Divaswanda, and I am the team leader. Next, Muhammad Ilham Tri Adiputra as team member, Muhammad Rizky Rafi Ramadan as team member, and Josephine Stevihia as team member. In this presentation, we will discuss the development of our project FastIF and administrative application for letter submission management design for the informatics department. This presentation will cover the following points: background, problem statement, proposed solution, advantage, main feature, project progress, and documentations. Background: old system workflow. Students had to come directly to the TU administration office to create or check their letters. All verifications were done manually by staff, often resulting in delays and inefficiency. Initial situations. The letter submission process was managed through paper forms or Google Forms, requiring the student to wait for manual verification from administrative staff before receiving approval. Common problems: frequent data entry errors, lack of transparency in letter status, and delays in communication between student and TU staff were common issues that disrupt workflow. Impact: this manual process caused administrative delays, added workload for TU staff, and made it difficult for students to monitor their submission progress. Need for a digital solution. A web-based system is needed to simplify submission, verification, and archiving while improving transparency, efficiency, and accessibility for both students and staff.
In our current system, the letter submission process is still done manually and not centralized. This causes a lot of problems for both students and TU staff. Students often don't know the progress or status of their letters, and it's difficult for the staff to give quick updates and or clarification. All records are stored manually, which make it hard to find or track previous submission. Over time, this leads to efficiency and mistakes. Because of these issues, the overall process becomes slower, the workload over TU staff increases, and students become confused about their submission. So, we can say that the main problem here is the lack of organized and centralized the system that supports proper communication and record management. To solve the problems, we such error. We developed a system called FastIF. FastIF is a web-based correspondence management system that helps digitalize the letter submission and verification process in the informatics department. Our main objective is to create centralized platform where students can easily submit track their letters online, while TU staff can review, verify, and archive them efficiently. The system is developed using Next.js and Tailwind CSS for the front end, Express.js for the back end, and RESTful API for smooth communication between client and server. With this system, all, lit- all letter records are stored digitally, allowing access anytime and anywhere. As a result, FastIF offers faster processing, better transparency, and more efficient data management for both students and administrative staff.
Our system offers a lot of benefits. First, it saves time. The process becomes much faster. Second, it reduces human error, so data is more accurate. Third, students can check their letter status anytime, so it's more transparent. It also stores letters digitally and easy to use for both student and staff. So overall, FastIF is a practical and reliable solution. In FastIF, there are two main user roles, students and Tata Usaha staff. For students, they can manage their profiles, submit letters, check their status, and view their history. For Tata Usaha staff, they can manage incoming requests, handle different letter templates, verify submission, and store everything in the archive. So both sides can work together easily in one platform.
Our project progress is divided into several stages. First, we planned the system and created the business flow. Then, we designed the UI in Figma and implement it for the front end with Next.js. Next, we are developing the backend using Express.js, and after that, we'll start testing. Once testing done, we'll deploy it, review it with our supervisor, and finally launch the system. Here are some snapshots of our progress.
In conclusion, FastIF was developed to simplify and modernize the administrative process of letter submission within the informatics department. By implementing this system, we aim to make the workflow faster, more organized, and easier to manage for both students and staff. We hope that this application can contribute to improving efficiency and digital transformation in academic administrations. Thank you for your attention and support. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.